Opposable?
Like, what's the name of
Opposable?
yeah, what the fuck is opposable thumbs?
I have no idea.
Like, why just not call them thumbs?
I thought they are just called thumbs.
No, but apparently, like animals that are like monkeys have it, but other mammals don't have it, so they are quite vocal about opposable thumbs. I think pandas have it too. Like not regular bears, but pandas do. I don't know. It's just they call it like that. I don't like. Why just not call them thumbs and that's it. I guess it's because
Welcome back to the Weebs Closet. I'm Jake.
I'm Nekko.
And we're here with
Opposable
thumbs.
thumbs.
Attack on Titan Season 4, Episode 10.
Yes. 10. Yeah, we're one ahead of whatever the last number is.
Episode 69, A Sound Argument. We saw Sasha die.
She died like 3 times. Like we saw her dying like 3 times.
Oh yeah, you're right. I was like, oh.
We kept cutting back to the freaking shot multiple times.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and then I thought that was the last episode we watched, but no, we also got this flashback episode where like these Marlians are now squatting up with the Levi's crew.
And it does make sense because like although that they say, oh, they have plenty of time to learn how to do a whatever the thing is, the dirigible. What was it? What's the name of it? The blimp.
The blimp, yeah.
Yeah, the blimp. Like, in reality, it takes you quite a while to learn it, and then building one kind of takes over a year, or like a little bit, especially people
Depending
that don't have
manpower, yeah.
Yeah.
I actually put some pieces together yesterday, because my theory, when we stopped watching last night or 2 nights ago, whenever, my theory was that Zeke, we both think that Zeke is working with Eren, but
for the time being,
you think that he possibly could be like trying to help?
I think he's just it's a means to an end. He's gonna work with Eren to do something else. I mean, ultimately, he just wants to eradicate Marlians.
Yeah, that's what I was sort of getting at. Is that's sort of Eren's goal as well. So they're working towards the same goal. However, I thought that wasn't entirely true and that he was going to betray him. But I don't know, what is the answer that we don't have is what is Zeke's motivation switch? Why did he fight so hard at the Battle of Shiganshina in Season 3 and now is working with Eren? And that gap, that 4-year gap still hasn't been filled up with that information yet.
True, but like it's kind of like the people from Paradise were saying, or our people, they were saying like, oh, so he couldn't beat us, so he's now trying to negotiate type of things. Like he couldn't take Eren by force, so he's just trying to work with, here's the paperwork, read it and let me know type of thing.
Okay, so he's gonna betray him because the paperwork is, in any movie when a character is handed paperwork, you can pretty much guarantee there's gonna be some fine print in there
Most likely.
It's gonna fuck him over in some kind of way.
Alrighty, guys. Follow us on Twitter. Go to Twitch and follow us over there so you can see us gaming. And then Patreon, bro. We got uncuts, bro.
We don't just have uncuts. We have timed exclusives.
Freaking mighty Keith. Yeah. We're gonna have time exclusive over there. Right now, the plan is for Attack on Titan. Season 4, most likely, like you're saying, like it's the one that you're seeing in there at the moment, and then Invincible will come after, and then probably Jujutsu Kaisen. It really depends.
Don't forget about the other one.
All right. All right, guys, so we're starting because clearly I am unhinged as well. So let's go ahead and start it. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, at least he doesn't look as bad. Hanji just
何と戦うの ?2 回戦があるのかな
I swear to God, Hanji.
かっこいいと思うよ、私は。ちょっと乱れてる感じなんか、頑張って無造作に見えるような努力が伝わってくるし。
何しに来たんですか
God damn.
話しに来たん
I will be annoyed too.
I don't know. She's hilarious.
私の一方的な話を君は聞いてくれた。ヒストリアを犠牲にすることはないって。
The way that she said that I didn't like it. I honestly believe that you would never sacrifice Historia. It's in past tense.
But maybe it's a decision he's already made. That's why it's past tense. He decided to sacrifice her, so she can't believe that he did sacrifice her.
That's what I'm saying. So, like, did it already happen?
I would guess no, but we'll see. All right, 2 years ago now.
エレン、1年前君に船ごと担ぎ上げられて以来ですね。パラディ島唯一の友好国、ヒーズル国。
Oh.
清宮あずま人。
She was talking with the guy that had the Warhammer type.
でもこれはお母さんが秘密にしてろって。
They're Orientals.
俺には見せただろ。
この印は死んだ母の一族から受け継いできたものです。私も自分の子に託すように言われました。
あずま人家の御親にあたる我が将軍家子息はフリッツ王家と婚姻にしており、このパラディ島に投留しておられたのです。あなたは我々が失った一個。
Oh wow.
These are all Ackermans?
No, the Oriental family.
She's descended to them also?
Yeah.
God damn, she's the most special character.
Yeah,
of
she had
goddamn
two descendants. The mom
history.
was Oriental and the dad was Ackerman.
Gotcha.
いや、それこそ奴らの思うツボだろう。一つ確かなことがある。我々は海でつながる世界において。
ねえ、その印なんでエレンだけに見せたの？え？だって手首の包帯誰にも見せなかったじゃない。
なんか嬉しそうだな。
嬉しいんだよ。重い荷物を背
He's
負う
always
者
like
同
so
士なん
happy
でしょ。
about it.
ミカサが一緒ならこんなに頼もしい人いないよ。
本日は両国にとって歴史的な日です。
この兵器を動かすにはある特殊な燃料が必要です。それを彼らは氷爆石と呼んで、
Yeah, I've never heard that before.
Yeah.
未だパラディ島以外では採掘されたことがない。
まだ埋蔵量も調査したわけではございませんのにね。ですがそれが事実なら、この近代化の時代において金銀財宝に等しい資源が眠っておられるのです。
それでジーク・エーガーとの取り計らいとは一体何でしょうか？
ご存知の通り、ジーク・イエーガーは秘策があると
Yeah,
し
it
て
doesn't help out not knowing.
まず一つ目は地ならしの実験的活用。その力の一部を公開し、世界に破壊力を見せつけるのです。地ならしが必要なくなるまで、この島の軍事力を世界の水準並みに底上げすることが目的です。これが3つ目の過程。ジークは獣の巨人を王家の血を引く者へと継承。
他の兵器が発達しても
Shit,
地
dude.
ならしは強力な兵器だ。手放すことができなければ何世代にもわたり継承は繰り返されていく。
私は獣の巨人の継承を受け入れます。地ならしが我々の存続に不可欠である以上は。
壁を破壊し蹂躙された挙句、家畜みてえに子供を産まされ殺されて、残された時間の限りあらゆる選択を模索するのが我々の取るべき最善策ではないでしょうか。
My thing is, who would Zeke be breeding with?
君と焦燥感を共に
Just
した
anyone?
つも
Because
り
he could.
ヒストリアはどうなってもよかったのかい？
The idea was to Historia breed or whatever.
Have Historia have kids?
Yeah.
Yeah.
当然子孫を持つ俺を殺すこともできない。いくら脅したところでジークを殺すわけにもいかない。つまりハンジさん、
Oh man.
教えてくださいよハンジさん。他のやり方があったら
I would just
教
punch
えて
him.
くださいよ。
エレンのエッチ。エルビン、あんたの唯一の失策だ。なんで私なんか団長にしたんだよ。
I wouldn't call it a mistake. I'm pretty sure he would have to deal with it too.
Yeah.
中に入ろう。ヒストリア。
Oh shit.
Yep. So cheap Prego.
It's your dream.
ガキをおこしらえ遊ばされるただ。所詮は下船の身に過ぎない名ばかりの女王様ってことだ。
That's fucked up.
やめろ。女王に石を投げつけていたらしい。構ってほしかったようだ。孤児院を手伝っていたのも罪悪感からだと。
問題は女王がなぜ今身勝手な行為に及んだのかだ。誰かが助言したんだ。妊娠しちまえば巨人にされずに済むと。今ならまだ間に合う。身をもだろうと巨
That
人
would be
にしちまえ
kind
ば。
of a weird.
お腹の子は死ぬだろうな。
おい、もう一本持ってこい。マネ
Stop.
ージ
I hate that.
困りました。
I hate that so much.
Huh?
How they treat Martians over here and how they treat Eldians over there.
Yeah.
バカがあんなことを言い出さなければな。これなら体も鍛えられるし、島の開発も進むって。
Just saying, I think this would be a lot more efficient if Eren was a Titan.
Yeah.
Good God. Who was that?
Mikasa. Sure, there were like 6 beams, like nothing. And then you had the audacity to tell me that she could have lived the logs that were hurling down Aaron's mom.
Yeah, she was like 8. I'm gonna cut her right there. Put your back into it.
図体ばかりでかくなりやがって。ヒーズルの件でしょうか。
たった今アズマ人から返事が来た。やはりヒーズルはパラディ島の資源を独占取引したいのだから、
You knew that going in,
貿
though.
易に協力などしない。それが国々
It's funny how much Sasha looks like
世界
Gabby.
の安定を担保する。
Yeah, actually, you're right. Put that together.
俺何持っていこう。腹を下したら大変だよな。
僕たちが平和を望んでいることを世界が知れば何かが変わるかもしれない。
俺の寿命は5年とあと少ししかね。
One of you guys.
Yeah, I would want Mikasa to inherit it.
何よりヒーズルといろいろやってこってやつが狂人になってどうする？
I thought we were done with that bitch.
土地狂って死に急ぐようなこともなく、いついかなる状況でも優れた判断力を発揮できる稀有な存在。
よくないですよ。あなたはバカなんですよ。じゃなくて、バカにそんな重要なことを任せられるわけないじゃないですか。私が継ぎますよ。実践経験もあって。
いや、だからバカには任せられないってお前が言ったんだろ。お前は
What's going on here?
Oh, so great.
お前らが大事だからだ。他の誰よりも。だから長生きしてほしい。
And that flies out the window whenever you get yourself captured and everybody has to rescue your ass.
You know, he's talking to everybody though. Only one of them died.
And that's why he was freaking out at the last whenever he was told that he died.
何赤くなったんだ。どうすんだよこの空気をよ。
すまん。
みんな赤くなってるからさ。
そうか。夕日なら仕方ねえよ。
Their grown-up looks they are all weird. The only one that I accept is John's there and Connie.
I like them all.
調査兵団は彼らと距離が近い。
They said that Armin had the best glow up on Twitter.
Debatable. People for some reason don't like people with long hair. That's a lie, but I'd much rather have him with the long hair that he had.
Armin?
Yeah.
That goofy ass fucking.
I mean, he could have styled it somewhat differently, but.
俺は違うと思う。あいつはエレンじゃない。もしあいつが俺たちじゃなく、腹違いの兄貴の方につくこと
Can't
があ
even
るなら。
focus now. Have you seen Benchwarmers?
Kinda. It's been a while.
Do you remember the guy in the closet?
The guy that didn't want to come out of the light?
Yeah.
And freaked out? Yeah.
That's Armin's hair right there.
Oh my god.
I think his name was like Howie or something like
Yeah.
that. I would always think about him.
ならないと思う。劇的になったのかもしれない。きっとその思いが強すぎたから。
それは違うぞ。かつてのあいつは いくらお前が強くても、あいつが大事だと言った俺もコニーもサシャもだ。
Exactly.
それは私たちが信頼されてるから。
Which one is it? Like you're gonna have both
I
of
think
them.
I think you can trust somebody and still try to protect them.
ミカサ、サシャが死んだ時エレンはどうしたと思う？
That's true. Yeah, I think they're also pointing out that, yeah,
コニー、
you're realizing how much he's changed.
笑いやがった。エレンのことは何でもわかるんだろう。
エレンと話そう。僕とミカサと3人だけで。
I feel really bad for Armin, because that's his best friend.
もしジークと同じ目的だったら。
まさか信頼できる他の誰かを巨人にしてエレンの始祖を継承する選択だ。
Problem is catching Eren off guard to the point that he won't turn himself. You know what I'm saying?
Then he won't trust anyone. This is not where I thought the show was going to be going.
Not at all.
Must be real with you guys. Fuck.
So much happened in that one that I can really not keep up.
We didn't talk at all during that one, dude.
No.
The most we talked about was Armin's hair.
Yep. Yep.
It's not even that, like, a lot was revealed. It's just so much more is being set up now again. They're setting up this storyline where they might be stealing Eren's Titan because they don't know, like, they don't trust him. I do think that his reaction to Sasha's death, it actually reminded me of the end of season 2 whenever Hannes died.
Yeah, like that's a natural reaction. I mean, and me myself, whenever something really bad happens, I immediately burst out laughing. That's a normal reaction to something that is extremely shocking. So yeah, no, his team will in his mind, his team were never gonna die, but then somebody did, and it just made it that more real. It's like, okay, like all of them are just not weakling, but like these people are mortal. They're not like me that can get a shot through the head and wake up the next morning, you know, type of thing. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of thoughts that could have caused that. Now, if there's some madness to it, that on the verge of like he doesn't care, then I mean it's yeah, like he's on this weird not anti-hero, but he's just in this mode where we just gotta get it over with type of thing. It's like whatever happens.
I think, and it goes back to the meme, right? The
round table.
I'll put the Knights of the Round Table meme. I think he's so like disconnected from right and wrong that he's just a man on a mission. It's as simple as that. He can't feel anything anymore, and he can't like distinguish good and bad. He's just trying to get to the end of this. I don't know. Yeah, one's a rice, one's a Fritz.
Yeah. Jesus Cristo.
Chainsaw Man. I don't know. Let's see where this Historia thing is going. They haven't said anything about Zeke yet, and it was his plan to begin with. So what's the dealio with that?
Yeah, they keep labeling a secret.
It's another Jaeger though.
Yeah.
Crazy shit, man.
Yeah, whenever they say Zeke Jaeger, it just doesn't have
Still throws you off.
Yeah,
I think it sounds good.
Zeke Jaeger. I don't know. Like the Zeke has a halt where you're used to Eren Jaeger type of like running it with it.
Yeah,
so,
I guess
like,
it's just a meme.
Yeah, it throws me off a little bit. Plus, I consider him more of a Fritz, which is true. So I can see him more of a Zeke Fritz. I don't know. Seeing another Jaeger that's not the dad throws me off. But nah, that is important.
It is blonde, so Fritz kind of fits a little bit better. But yeah, let's not like we're stopping anytime soon. So what do you say? We get to the next one today.
See ya. Hope you guys enjoyed another Weebs Closet reaction. A special thanks to our Patreons. We appreciate your extra support to keep this channel going. Be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. See you in the next one.